And they're off. And is taken by sa totoo lang, Senior Cricket on the outside, Friends for Never, Dragon King, Money Bank, and moving up by the rail is On Your Knees. And heading for the back stretch, sa totoo lang, by a length and a half, followed by Senior Cricket in second, and Dragon King running in third, and running in fourth is Friends for Never, On Your Knees, Money Bank, Yes Joey, and Grand Sensation is bringing up the rear. At the mid-back stretch, it's Senior Cricket on the outside. The race taken over now by Senior Cricket, followed by Sa Totoo Lang, and closing in third is Friends for Never. And nearing the far turn, Senior Cricket, followed by Friends for Never on the outside, Sa Totoo Lang by the rail, and Money Bank, Dragon King, Yes Joey moving up on the outside. And rounding the far turn, it's Senior Cricket, and Sa Totoo Lang moving up once again by the rail, and moving up on the farther outside is Friends for Never. The last bend for home, Sa Totoo Lang by the rail, Friends for Never on the outside, and Money Bank on the farther outside in third, Senior Cricket, and Yes Joey. And at the top of the stretch, Sa Totoo Lang by the rail, and Friends for Never now moving up on the outside. It's Sa Totoo Lang, followed by Friends for Never on the outside. Sa Totoo Lang, Friends for Never on the outside. But it's still Sa Totoo Lang by the rail, and Friends for Never moving up on the outside. It's Friends for Never on the outside, Sa Totoo Lang by the rail. And finally at the payoff line, Friends for Never, Sa Totoo Lang, Money Bank, Grand Sensation, Yes Joey, Senior Cricket, On Your Knees, and Dragon King.
I think it's 756